My initial draw to science came through a physician-scientist training program. So what really attracted me was the desire to answer basic questions about the causes and nature of human disease. Most of the work that I'm pursuing always has a disease or a biomedical problem in mind. My name is Paul Cohen, and I'm the head of the Laboratory of Molecular Metabolism here at Rockefeller. My lab is fundamentally interested in why obesity makes people sick, and specifically we're interested in why some people with obesity develop diabetes, hypertension, and heart disease, whereas others can be relatively unaffected. Traditionally, labs that focus on obesity tend to study diseases that are traditionally associated with obesity, like diabetes, hypertension, and heart disease. But it's now well appreciated that many different types of cancer are increased in incidence and have worse outcomes in individuals who are obese. And the underlying mechanisms for that are not known. And so working with a couple of very talented students and postdoc in my lab, we've embarked with a lot of enthusiasm into this new area. I was an MD Ph.D. student in the tri-institutional program, and I did my Ph.D. in Jeff Friedman's lab here. Since my time in Jeff's lab, I went on and did clinical training in internal medicine and cardiology, where I continue to practice, and those experiences, I think, keep me grounded as to what some of the key unanswered questions are. Another unique thing about Rockefeller is that we have a research hospital right on campus that allows us to do human subject research with really a minimum of bureaucracy or red tape. And in the past, we would have really exclusively focused on mouse and cellular models, but the environment here allows us to begin to think about doing studies like that for the first time in human subjects. So we are in the earliest phases now of some human subject studies. The most satisfying aspect of the work here is, I would say, twofold. So on a daily basis, it's interacting with students and postdocs in the lab, reviewing data, discussing new ideas, and seeing them grow and develop as scientists. On a more long-term level, the most satisfying thing would be to make a discovery that has a real impact on human health.